If you dare touch Senator Abaribe, Nigeria will be shut down completely. Dears, Biafran Group threatens Buhari. The Biafran Nation League (BNL) has warned President Muhammadu Buhari against prosecuting any member of the National Assembly, most especially Abaribe. In a statement sent to newsmen on Friday in response to Buhari's Independence Day speech vowing to clamp down on sponsors of Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, BNL warned that its militias might be forced to carry out attacks if any lawmakers is prosecuted. The group made this known in a statement jointly signed by the national leader of the BNL, Prince Will Chimezie Richard, Deputy Leader Ebuta Ekon Tekun, and Chief of General Staff Linus Asukwo Essien. The pro-Biafran urged Buhari to present evidence to the public that any National Assembly member from the region is sponsoring IPOB. According to BNL, arresting a southern lawmaker will create more problems for Nigeria, especially in the Gulf of Guinea, where they have more presence and militias loyal to them. They warned that if Buhari tries to rubbish anybody from the region in the National Assembly, they may be forced to act. While insisting that the Biafran struggle is not sponsored by any politicians in Nigeria, BNL said that Nnamdi Kanu and his group started by receiving free will donation from Biafran all over the world. BNL said that the Biafran abroad have been doing enough to finance the movement and not those in Nigeria, the claims. My dear viewers, you see, this is what we are talking about. This is what we are lamenting of. This is what we are saying. Buhari is taking the wrong decision and the wrong step. Please, can you please tell me, what has the lawmakers done that will make Buhari to be going after them? Buhari is just attacking people unnecessarily. He's just attacking people for no reason. He's just going after the people for nothing's sake. You see, you can hear that now. This is coming from a BNL, a Biafran group. You see that? See what Buhari is going to cause in this country. I'm telling you, even UK themselves will be forced to come in. They'll be forced to come in because this is too much. It's becoming too much of the president. It's becoming too much of Buhari. It's becoming too much of what is happening. I'm telling you. See, my dear viewers in the house, I cannot say that President Muhammadu Buhari is on the right key. I can't. As a president of the country, you don't take action when you've not been able to carry out a proper investigation of the action you're about to take. But it takes action unnecessarily. Okay, now, what has this senators in the Southeast done? That they decided to stand by the people and support the people is now an issue. That they decide to stand by the people and fight for the people is not an issue. And that because they decide to speak on behalf of the people is not an issue. That they refuse to support you, Buhari, is not an issue. Okay, so what now happens to those Southeast governors of yours? Those Southeast governors that has been following you people up and down. What happens to them? You left them because they are supporting you. You left them because they were with you. Because they have been supporting you, giving you their lands and all of that. You left them. Abi, anything you say, they will concur. Anything you say, they will concur. Any move you make, they will follow you like cows. Because Abaribe have not been listening to you, has not been obeying you, he has been attacking you each time you attack the IPOBs. That is why you are against him. I tell you, you have failed. They have told you that if anything that happens to Abaribe or any lawmaker in the Southeast, you will pay for it. And When IPOB says something, I tell you, don't question them. Don't question the IPOBs, because they are always on top of their decision. They are always on the right track to strike. I'm telling you, don't dare them. Do you understand? So I want to really second to what BNL has I've just said. I want to second to that, because if Buhari is not called to order, you'll be surprised at what he is going to do to these lawmakers. You'll be surprised at what he's going to do to these lawmakers. So, no matter what may have transpired, I bet you that Buhari deserve to be quit and take his eyes off activities concerning the Southeast, because it's none of his business. He should leave business for the people who own the state and focus on issues that concerns the federal. Do you understand? Issues concerning the federal is what Buhari is supposed to be paying attention to, and not issues concerning the state. That is why I love what Akeredolu told him one certain time. He told him that, look, mister, this is not your affairs should be on issues concerning the federal and not the state. Leave the state for the state and focus on the federal. Focus on the federal. You get it now. So that is that, my dear viewers. So, my dear viewers, you will bear me witness that all these that has just been taken note of is something that we all are aware of. Do you understand? We're all aware of them. Alright. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.